Welcome to Understand the Math. I'm going to show you exactly how to verify this trig identity. In this problem, our left-hand side is the place we want to start because it's more complicated. So we'll write tangent x as sine x divided by cosine x, and we'll write secant x as 1 divided by cosine x. This gives us a sine x divided by cosine x on top, and a 1 divided by cosine x on the bottom. The cosines are going to cancel, and we have a sine x on the left is equal to a sine x on the right. Hang with me, we have one more problem to go.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.